We know a lot of people are stuck indoors right now, and so we wanted to make this video to help you keep your creativity and your sanity. Today, we're going to show you how you can create your own bedroom studio with objects you probably have lying around your house right now. We'll show you how you can make fun photos like this with junk like this. Here we go.
For lighting, you'll want to be next to a window to really utilize that available light. Turn off your tungsten lights inside to keep everything the same color temperature.
We'll be using a shower curtain as a backdrop. You could also use a blanket, drapes, a sheet, whatever you'd like. We'll also need something to hang up the curtain. How about this bungee cord? If you don't have a bungee cord, you can get creative with what you do have to make it work. Tie some string, tie some yarn.
And that's how you do the scone!
Or just toss a sheet over your door.
Also remember, we're
not a model.
Since we have a small space to work with, we're going to use a 35mm lens. We've got a couple of self-portrait videos if you want to know more about setting up the camera and triggering the shutter. In this case, we're using our phone wirelessly connected to our Canon 5D Mark IV to see our framing, focus, and take the photo.
You can also incorporate some props. We're using a clear shower curtain to add some interest and to be weird, but you do you.
Yeah, that's sick. Well, some of it's sick.
So with makeshift studio like ours, you may want to clean up the background a bit when editing. Here in Photoshop, we selected our subject, inverted the selection, and then used a large, soft clone stamp set at a low opacity to smooth out and clean up the background.
We hope that you're all staying healthy and safe, and we'll see you next week.